myself Raj Roshan Singh, your today video host. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to select hosting plan for website hosting. To do this, first you're gonna open any browser, whatever you are using. Just like I'm using Google Chrome. So now I'm gonna open Google Chrome and log into a profile, just like Roshan Singh. And now I'm gonna search hosting or hosting. This page appear to you, and you're gonna click on first link. After clicking first link, this page appear to you and you will log into my account. Now we log in with Google. You can also log in with your email ID or password. After logging with Gmail, after logging in, this page appear to you. Now you will fill your details just like I'm filling. And here you can see all type of plans. Now you will click on website. After clicking on website, here you can see all plans are divided in three parts: web hosting, cloud hosting, and agency hosting. In agency hosting, they serve to big companies who provide website development on maintenance services. In cloud hosting, they serve to big companies who need more resources to fulfill their customers' needs. Just like, and in web hosting, here you can see three types of plans: single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting. In single web hosting, you can only host up to one website, and in premium web hosting you can host up to 25 website, and business web hosting you can host up to 50 website. And in single web hosting you got 10 GB of space for your website files like photos, images, and product data. And premium web hosting you got up to 25 GB of fast SSD storage for smooth content delivery and store your website file including photos, products data, and customer data. And in business web hosting you got up to 50 GB of data for fast content delivery and big size of files and photos of your website or videos, whatever you are storing in your website or whatever you are showcasing in your website. And now we're gonna see more features that generally people ignore, but it matters. In all of three web hosting, you will get manage WordPress website. It means you can host WordPress website in all of these plans. And in single web hosting, you don't get any free domain. In premium web hosting, you will get free domain for 1 year. In business website you will also get free domain for 1 year. In business web hosting you will get free CDN for content delivery and smooth fast website. But in remaining two plans you don't get any. In single web hosting you will get 100 GB of bandwidth. It means you can transfer up to 100 GB of data from website to customers and customers to website. And in premium web hosting and business website hosting you will get unlimited bandwidth. It means you can deliver unlimited amount of data to your customer and customer to your website servers. In single web hosting you can create up to 2 subdomains to host another part of your website. And in premium web hosting you will get 100 subdomains, and in business website you will also get 100 subdomains. In single web hosting you will get up to one FTP account to share your website files to another person to access your account and manage it. And in premium web hosting and in business web hosting you will get unlimited FTP accounts to manage and access as per your website maintenance and requirements. In single web hosting you can manage up to 10,000 monthly visitors, and in premium web hosting you can manage up to 25,000 of monthly visitors. In premium web hosting you can manage up to 1 lakh of monthly visitors smoothly without any issues. So this is all about their main specification which you need to know before purchasing any plan. If you are starting a new website for your e-commerce brand, then you can go with premium web hosting, or you are purchasing it to practice some of your skills, then you can go with single web hosting. Just like I am building a e-commerce brand, so I am go with premium web hosting plan. So here's your cart page. Now we're gonna select subscription time period. Just like I want 12-month plan. So here you can see subtotal of 2600. You can also use our coupon code SK10 for extra 10% discount. SK10 apply. Now our net price is 2365 rupees. Now we're gonna continue this. So this is our checkout page. Now we're gonna fulfill our details just like our contact number. I'm using a dummy contact number 123456789 okay. Now you're gonna continue, and here you can see multiple type of payment method, whichever favors you can go with that. So after making payment, this page appear to you, and here you can see premium web hosting plan in our edge panel. In next video we're gonna talk about how to set up our website and claim our free domain. Thank you for watching.